be waiting for. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do.
Firstly, we'll boil 2.5 cups of water in a pan. Then add Maggi and cook it for 2-3 minutes. Remove the extra water and keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add garlic and chopped onions. Saute for 1 minute and then add chopped capsicum. Now add 2 tablespoons refined flour or maida. Roast it just for 1 minute on low to medium flame. Add half a cup of water and mix it well. Now add salt, black pepper powder and white chili flakes. And now a boiled Maggi. Give it a good mix and it's ready.